Morning everybody, Wolf here. My last full day up at Pawtuckaway State Park here up in Nottingham, New Hampshire. And look, the sun has finally come out. I get one day of sunshine. I guess the temperature's supposed to be up in the mid-60s today. Right now it's about 51. It's going to be up in the mid-60s today. Sun's going to be shining all day. It's great. So today we're going to today we're going to go for a hike. We're going to head up, I don't know if we're going to make it to the fire tower or not, but we're definitely going to go for a hike today, so that's on the plan. Alright, so unfortunately I've had some microphone malfunctions, and I don't really feel like fighting with it today. So we'll deal with it when I get home, so the audio quality is going to be a little bit reduced for the rest of this trip here, so my apologies for that, but yeah, you'll still get the full content in. Anyway, I'm about to take a little bit of a hike here. I don't know how far I'm going to get, but I'm going to start heading up towards the fire tower. Oh, I got to grab the trail map too. I forgot to grab that. But anyway, we're going to start heading in that direction. We'll see how far we get. And it should be a good day's hike. I got my backpack here, I got my camera, and I got my digital audio recorder in there if I want to do any better audio. Forgot the lapel mic, otherwise I would have been able to solve the problem with that thing. But oh well, I always forget something. Anyway, so I got my camera in there, I got water, I got food. Got a change of clothes if I need to put in some lighter clothes. So, alright, so we'll grab the trail map and we'll get moving. Now it looks like I've reached the end of the line here. The whole entire trail is flooded out and I don't feel like wading through that cold water right now. So I don't know if I missed a turn someplace or what, but I'm supposed to be looking for a trail to like Shaw Trail or Shaw Point Trail or something like that. I never saw such a trail, so it may be on the other side of this bridge. Unfortunately, I'm not going to make it across that. That's just not going to happen. This is completely unexpected. I suspect beavers have played a role in this. So we're going to turn around and start heading back and see if I can find that missed turn. Well, looks like we had a bit of wind while we were gone. Oh well. So I ended up just taking the canopy down. It's not raining today, sun's shining still. And I'm going home tomorrow anyway, so it's just something that I'd have to take down tomorrow anyway, so I figured it was about time to just take it down. So, with that done, now it's time to get some dinner made. So I'm going to be making something a little bit different today. It's going to be kind of a chicken Alfredo. No noodles or anything, but it's going to be Alfredo sauce, chicken, broccoli, and peas and potatoes. I know it's a strange combination, but it actually does work out pretty well. Okay, so we start off with slicing up a potato. Yes, I know it's a small potato. But it's just me. That's all I need. Okay, so we'll put these into some tin foil. A little butter dish here. Potatoes. They're all escaping. I need a bigger workspace, that's the problem. There we go. That's all there is to it. Just let that bake for a while. Let's add a little bit of oil to the pan here. Best to be done with olive oil, but it looks like I forgot to replace my olive oil after I used it up. So I'm going to use vegetable oil instead. It'll work, just won't be as good. Let's slice this chicken up. Ooh, there's a lot of chicken here. This is what I'm using for the broccoli. Obviously designed to be cooked in the microwave. I don't have one of those out here. So I'm just going to dump it right into the pot with the chicken. Also mix in some Libby's peas. This is what I use for when I need veggies out here and I'm camping. These nice, perfect things here. Not quite as good as the frozen ones, but they're more like the canned stuff, but they're just the right size for me, one serving size. So I've got corn, I've got peas, beans, stuff like that, and just stuff that works great. Bring it camping, single serving size, perfect setup. I also picked up some Prego Artisan 4-cheese Alfredo sauce to try with this dinner. This smells good. Right into the pot with these things. Yep. Right in. See, potatoes are nice and soft. Try one. I stumbled on this recipe one time. So, trip when I was out in Pennsylvania, I was just going to make the chicken, the broccoli, and the Alfredo sauce, and have the potatoes and the peas on the side. And the peas were actually an accident because that wasn't the vegetable I was planning. It was just the only one I happened to have with me at the time. And when I put them all on the plate together, they started mixing together, and I realized, you know what, this stuff works out well mixed together. So yeah, it sounds like a strange combination, but it really does taste good. It's almost 7 o'clock at night. Time to make a pot of coffee. No, I'm not drinking coffee at this hour. I'd never get any sleep. What I'm actually doing is making my coffee for the drive home tomorrow. So I don't have to brew out any coffee up when I get up in the morning. So, I'm going to take this exact amount, which is almost 3 cups. Mix it in. And that's how much coffee I'm making. Out. Make it nice and strong. Just gonna have myself a nice iced coffee when I get up in the morning. And yes, I'm still using the auto cracked coffee my friend gave me. Yeah. There we go. That's it. Now we need a lighter. And now we wait. Now, it's starting to get late, so we're going to leave you with a nice view of the fire pit. And we'll catch you in the next one. Next video should be me packing up things and then taking off and heading back home again. So, anyway, remember, slow down and enjoy life, and we'll talk to you guys later. So good morning, everybody. Whoa, squirrel.